My name is Lewis. I am a lead front-end web developer in a content management system company, and I would give Sublime Text a 5. So I used products like Notepad++. At that time, there was Visual Studio, different version than what's out now, but we used that heavily. Um, and initially, when I started, one of the big problems that we had was that everybody used their own. So tab spacing was inconsistent. There was lots of inconsistency in line breaks, and so that's whenever we adapted Sublime Text, that kind of brought everybody onto the same page. So Sublime Text has a couple of really nifty features that we utilize all the time. We have tons of clients, and they have lots of little files that have to be edited and adjusted. And so Sublime Text allows us to create projects that we can then share with each other's machines, and someone can pick up a project file, launch it in their Sublime editor, and then they quickly have access to all the files that are kind of highlighted and being worked on in the project, and it keeps everything organized and everybody on the same page. So the project tool is awesome, and that's one of the major reasons why we got it, because it organizes everybody together. Plus, we can kind of utilize the same settings across multiple different installations, and no matter what computer you sit at that day, as a developer, you have your tool set that you're used to using right there. Yeah, so Sublime Text has a package manager that's built into it. And so in modern web development, and maybe this was different a handful of years ago, but in modern web development, people are used to dealing with package management. And Sublime Text was really one of my first forays into it, and it was fairly easy to pick up, and they made it very simple. And so for all these new guys that are coming on now that are used to package management, it's like second nature to them. And so they can grab packages and they can install, things, great coding add-ons like Emmet and some other pieces that really make it not only just a place to code, but a place to learn. Um, it's easy to look up things and to learn about the code that you're working on, to learn about the different types of tags, and all that's built right into the system using the package manager. You can really customize the tool in just about any way. If you're considering Sublime Text, you need to research the package manager area immediately. I mean, Sublime Text is a fantastic tool, and where it really shines the most is when you can actually adapt it to the way that you want to work. So by checking out the package manager, you can find pieces and add-ons and ways to adjust the Sublime tool to your existing workflow. So you don't have to make changes. Some IDEs require you to adapt to the way that it works or to figure out a new process. But with Sublime, and the package manager, you can truly come up with a solution that works the way that you already work.